February 24. Makakasama natin si Palace Press Officer at PCO Undersecretary Attorney Claire Castro para magbigay linaw kaugnay sa mga alegasyon sa gold reserves. Yusek Castro?
Yes, as of now, may pronouncement ang BSP. Baka pwede nating pakinggan at madinig din nila.
We will be projecting the statement po from BSP.
Babasahin ko ba? Ako babasa. Okay. This is a statement of BSP. The country's gross international reserves, or GIR, including gold, are held and managed solely by the BSP for the foreign exchange requirements of the country. When BSP sells gold, the proceeds revert to and stay within the GIR. Last year, GIR rose to $106.3 billion from $103.8 in 2023. Similar to other central banks, BSP maintains a portion of its reserves in gold as part of the country's GIR, mostly to hedge against offset movements in the market price of other assets. It buys or sells gold to maintain an optimum level for this purpose. Not too big, not too small. Gold prices tend to move in the opposite direction of other assets. Therefore, central banks hold some gold as a hedge against huge declines in other assets in the reserves. However, gold prices can be volatile, earns little interest, and has storage costs. So central banks don't want to hold too much. So yan po ang statement ng BSP. At handa na po tayong sumagot sa inyong mga katanungan.
We're now opening floors for questions from our Malacanang media friends. First question, Maricel Halili, News 5.
Ma'am, so just a clarification. So ibig sabihin, hands-off si Presidente doon sa gold reserves kasi PRRD mentioned or is accusing the Marcos family of stealing and selling the country's gold. Just so it's clear.
Okay. Hindi pa to campaign joke ulit ni dating Pangulong Duterte? Hindi ba tayo nasanay dun sa jet ski promise niya? Na nung naniwala tayo